Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Verizon account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.verizon.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this all page. Let's scroll up. To log into your account, click on the sign in button over here and then click on business login. After that, write in your user ID and your password into the login area. If you forget your password, click on this forget password link over here and follow the instructions. If you forget your user ID, click on this forget user ID link over here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, write in your CAPTCHA over here and then click on this login button over here. But if you don't have an account yet, click on register for an account button over here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, click on this login button over here and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like these. Thank you for watching.